Hi, I'm Dave Levin. One of the joys of my job is getting to talk to parents about their hopes and dreams for when their kids grow older. Invariably, you hear things like, I want my child to be successful. I want my child to be happy and kind and curious and to work hard and to love learning and to be nice to others. And then you ask teachers, so what are you guys teaching? And you'll hear things like reading, writing, math, science, and history. This should not be an either or. It should not be about whether I'm teaching rigorous academics or I'm teaching character strengths like grit and self-control and zest and social intelligence and gratitude. There is a way to combine academic rigor and character development.
This week, we'll be writing letters that express our love, respect, admiration for someone that you already thought about in our right away.
This course is an online version of professional development sessions I've been leading for the last 7 years, combining lessons I've learned from some of the top psychologists, sociologists, and neuroscientists in the country with the work I've had the honor of doing with some of our country's best K-12 teachers.
When I say I, you say and. I.
It will explore the most recent research in psychology, sociology, and neuroscience, and how K-12 educators are applying that research in their classrooms in both public and private school settings. In the end, our goal is to make sure that the idea of academic rigor and character development are woven into the very DNA of your classroom.
We want to encourage you to shoot really high so that when you're working as a 5th grader or as a 6th grader or a 7th grader, you are imagining yourself as the President of the United States.
If you are a teacher, a coach, or a parent interested in how these ideas might apply at home or how you could help your child's school explore them, this course is for you. Our goal is that you will leave it being able to weave the development of character strengths into all aspects of your practice as a teacher, as a coach, and as a parent. In addition, I think we're going to have a ton of fun along the way as well. I hope you'll join us and register.